Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raziul Azima, a master student of accounting at Universitas Negeri Jakarta. I will present my thesis proposal titled Development of a COSO-based internal control system in state universities, a case study at Universitas Negeri Jakarta. This study aims to design a practical internal control assessment guideline that strengthens university governance, especially in UNJ. The background: state universities play a strategic role in improving higher education quality. However, several cases such as corruption, plagiarism, and misconduct show weakness in their internal control system. To address this issue, the Corruption Eradication Commission or KPK launched the PPTN program to enhance the integrity and governance reform. Meanwhile, the transformation of PTN into PTN-BH demands more adaptive and accountable control system. As a new PTN-BH, UNJ still face challenge, weak asset management, limited system integration, and incomplete integrity zone implementation. Therefore, UNJ needs a COSO-based internal controls guideline to evaluate and improve its governance performance. Problem and research question. Although UNJ has achieved an excellent SAKIP score, some weaknesses remain. The internal control system has not worked effectively in supporting transparency and accountability. So the main question of this research is, how can a COSO-based internal control system strengthen governance at Universitas Negeri Jakarta? The objective is to develop a COSO-based internal control assessment guideline for UNJ, which support good university governance and the vision toward world-class university. Benefits: 1. Theoretical, enrich literature on the COSO framework in higher education. Practical: 1. For UNJ as a tool to access and improve internal control, for regulation as input for SPIP policy improvement, for research as a reference for future studies. This research used the COSO framework, which includes 5 key components. 1. Control environment, integrity culture, and strong structure. 2. Risk assessment, identifying and mitigation university risk. 3. Control activities, SOP, anti-fraud policies, and clear authorization. 4. Information and communication, integrated reporting system. And 5. Monitoring, risk-based audits, and continuous evaluation. The result will be a COSO-based internal control assessment guideline with 17 principles and a total score of 100 points. The study applies research and development or R&D with a mixed methods approach combining qualitative and quantitative analysis. Main stakes include preliminary observation and literature review, model design and instrument development, data collection from SPIN related units, data analysis and expert validation, revision and finalization of the guideline. This method ensures the product is valid and applicable to real university governance. For data analysis and output, data will be analyzed using qualitative description to explain current condition, quantitative scoring based on COSO components, and triangulation and expert judgment for validation. Expert output, a COSO-based internal control guideline that helps UNJ improve SPI effectiveness, transparency, and accountability. It can also serve as a reference model for other state universities. In conclusion, this research aims to develop a comprehensive and measurable internal control model based on COSO for UNJ as a PTN-BH. By strengthening governance, torque, and effective control system, UNJ can move closer to becoming a world-class university built on integrity and accountability. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.